if we're speaking just simply, you know, in the context of financial terms, it's not enough. Okay, so what is this computer? I'll tell you one thing, Clarence, Rome wasn't built on stairs. You got it all wrong. You got to think big picture, okay? So like it's a song, but the entire thing is made out of crying children. Actually, could I change that to the thin crust? I don't think you understand, okay? That has less calories, right? Because I understand that you don't understand. You understand? Oh, it has more. I'll still have it. No, I'm looking at the budget right now. It still says 0. I don't even think you understand how long it took me to tie this tie. Hey, no, careful with that. That's my Casio keyboard. I was totally unaware that using Drake's voice through an AI generator was grounds for legal complications. Hey, how about this? You can tell Owen Wilson to go f himself. I was unaware Owen Wilson and Drake were sharing the same lawyer. I have assets. Is there any way we could possibly handle this outside of court? Well, technically, I thought since the parrot was the one singing the Beyonce song that I would be clear of any wrongdoing in that scenario. Lil Wayne, Mariah Carey, Fergie, and the duck that played the bongos, they're also in on the lawsuit. Okay, can we move offices, like today, perhaps? It's pretty nice. Okay.
Audio combat.
I like to think of myself as a pretty good little DJ. You know, I do what I can. This is the motivational arc. This is like the motivational arc for Audio Combat. It's not just memes. It's not just, oh, he put a fart in his song. That's so funny. That's so last season. Okay. I want you to look deep into your abilities. I want you to challenge them. And I want you to make an absolute banger out of a dog shit sample in 2 hours.
Audio combat, baby.
The 3 ANSIC BEP Tonita KA26, pretty standard helicopter. This alone just kind of sounded like a beat to me already. It was just call and response pretty much already. So I'm pretty much just gonna try and form a cohesive rhythm out of just these two parts right here. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, shit. Did I just accidentally make a little drum fill there? Unintentional producer moment. That's kind of dope, dude. Sending a fax machine type beat. Working away in the office, corporate style. Dude, if I worked in an office, I would say, yeah, no, I work in an office, corporate style. Oh, I kind of like that. I think a little shout could be better right here. This right here, this little... Sick. This turned into like a little snare fill. Cool. Okay, kind of cool. All right, I want to make a bass line that follows this same helicopter pattern. Like an 808 that goes like, I'm not gonna replicate the sound with my voice because that would sound really bad. I gotta say, it's the first one I've ever not liked. Dude, it's been like 20 minutes. It's the first one I've never not liked. Gosh. I'm gonna make a beat and you're gonna eat those words. You're gonna be like, oh, this beat's gonna be so good that you're gonna wanna dance to it at your wedding. Okay, I'd absolutely set myself up for failure. This is a hot melody. You gotta respect it. It's just a great hot melody. I didn't even write it. Okay, the helicopter did. God, I just stopped trying. Sometimes it's easier to just not try. Let's drop this and see how it sounds. Okay, so it's pretty bad. We can make it better though. Kind of got a nice little layer of white noise on it already. I think this is gonna work. Oh, dude, that's like apocalyptic trumpet levels right here. It kind of sounds like it's breathing. Doesn't it? Yo, this is scary wildebeest music, but it's the kind that you still want to kind of, you know, like, yeah, you're about to, chances are you're gonna die from this horrifying, like, giant monster who's huffing and puffing at you. And like a dark forest, I imagine, is like a setting. But you still kind of want to throw ass, even in the face of death. You still kind of want to just throw a little ass. A little percussive fills in here would be sick. Oh, I love that. Why does that one plugin have a spinning trash can? That's reverb. It's the size. So you can go small, little tiny wiener one right here. You can go big chungus mode, you know? It's all up to you. You're in control. Fruity Reverb 2. I like to say it's not underrated because like literally everyone uses this. I think it's a goated reverb. FL released a new, they put a new reverb plugin out with FL21, didn't they? Luxverb. You gotta pay for it, I think. Yeah, trial version. I'm sure it's great, actually. This is a question I do want to address, though. How do I get past writer's block and only being able to write 16 bars of a song? This is something I, along with the majority of music producers, struggle with. You could quit. You could stop. You could stop. You just quit. Just give up. It's so easy to just give up. Do it. The biggest tips I can offer: 1, try creating something that you don't normally make, different genre, different style. 2, sample hunt. Expand your sample library. That makes a giant difference. Same with plugins. If you can't like buy any samples or plugins, there's loads of free ones that you can look for. Google, YouTube, Reddit. And don't force it, because if you sit there, sometimes it's even more demotivating when you realize you spent 9 hours making a steaming hot plate of This needs a nice, like, little phrase right before the drop.
Oh yeah, tried to fight
where the B-boy stands.
Delicious.
Come on.
Every man for himself.
I killed it.
It's like, it always takes about 3 or 4 vocals before I end up just back at the pirate samples. They always make their way back. It'll be like, yeah, drop it. Sick. Feel the beat. And then just, arg, me booty. Like a pirate jump scare. You're just like, oh, Jesus Christ.
What's the scenario?
What's the scenario? What's the situation? Jason Bourne. What's the intel?
What's the scenario?
What else we got in here?
An ally has captured a control point.
No, we don't stress that.
Ooh, there we go. That's sick. Don't take life too seriously. If someone's getting you down, respond to their frown with violence. No, I'm just kidding. Be like, hey, turn your frown into a $sign. Monetize your sadness. Start making music and go through some hardship.
No, we don't stress that. We keep it hot.
We keep it hot. I like that. I like keeping it hot. We keep it hot. No air conditioning.
We keep it hot.
Ooh, we're approaching banger territory, fellas.
get down. We keep it hot. Let me get down. We keep it hot. We keep it hot. Let me get down.
Let's do a little impact sweep here.
We keep it hot. We keep it hot. We keep it hot.
Let me pull the original sample back up and see if there's anything we missed in here, because we only used the first two parts. That's fine. This actually kind of works nice with a little bass line underneath it. Okay. I think like a sick vocal in the background here, like a throat singing type vocal, if that exists. I don't know what I was expecting. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna use a Cashmere sample. That's pretty cool. I think I accidentally layered two subs here. Where is it? Where's the culprit? Right there. Boom. Get out of here. Hey, you're f***ing up my mix down, dude. I want to kind of harmonize this somehow. But I'm not going to use it with the vocal. I'm just going to make my own quickly now. I think it sounds kind of cool. I think it sounds kind of cool. I think it sounds kind of cool. Who's the guy that said he didn't like it? Is he still here? I'm gonna make a beat, and you're gonna eat those words. You're gonna be like, oh, he likes it. Hey, I did it.
Another satisfied customer.
We keep it
Sick. Should try adding a little bit of distortion to the sub. I think it would actually help this song a lot.
Trying to be tough.
Dude, the helicopter already made the rhythm, like the beat pattern. It already pretty much wrote half the song. So like, I like that you kept that in this. Walter with human hands is not something that I thought I would be. That's no. No. I feel like that was probably the slowest Noisiatric song. I'm gonna give you one shot to not miss your chance to whatever. Essentially, it's a broken helicopter. What a crispy sounding kick drum. Is that kick from the COD hit marker? I can't unhear it now. My favorite picture on the whole internet right here. This is my favorite photo that exists on the internet. Strata, Man City, on the telly. It's looking lovely today, lads. That's funny. The Og sample is impressive, the evolution it went through, because like now it's funnier to just hear. Man, I suck.
Self-deprecating moment.
Dude, I gotta stop opening the fucking dry version of that.
Self-deprecating humor check.
There it is.
Helicopter, helicopter.
I don't know how many of you guys know Stay Sick, but he's a wicked fucking producer who joined us today, and we're gonna take a listen to what he made real quick. He said he made this in like 30 minutes, so he's just, I'm sure he said that just to flex. Thank you for shitting on the rest of us. You know, get real, dude. I can't tell if this dog is really fat or if it's got if it's like chewing on something. Bee sting? Oh, poor dog.
Yeah.
Fuck. Signia won an episode in season 2 and then just didn't pull up to the finale, right? Like just a flex. I think I'm gonna give it to Signia. Hopefully you'll actually come to the finals this time. If you did not win, please return next week. You could always win then. We hope to see you next Tuesday here at Audio Combat for season 3. Till then, adios.